We are starting with the first equation, and the first equation is iron, that is Fe plus H2O. It gives Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas is produced along with it. Now in this equation we have to first do the balancing. As our first step is what? We have to write the elements which are present, then we write the number of atoms which are on the left hand side, that is on the side of the reactants. And the next one is what? Number of atoms on right hand side. Now I will discuss about all of these one by one, as this is how we do the balancing here. Now the element first which is present here is Fe, iron, then hydrogen is here, as well as oxygen is here. So all are what? The three elements which are present in this equation on the left hand side also, as well as on the right hand side also. Now the number of atoms on left hand side are: iron is having only one atom, hydrogen is having only two atoms, and oxygen is again having only one atom. And what about the right hand side? If I discuss about the right hand side, you will see that the Fe, iron is having how many atoms? Three atoms. Iron is having three atoms. Oxygen, which is written here, I will write here on the right hand side, oxygen is having four atoms. And what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is having the two atoms again. Now if you see this carefully, you will find that hydrogen is already balanced here. Hydrogen is already balanced here. Only two elements are not balanced. Iron is not balanced, as well as oxygen is not balanced. Now the question is, which one will be balanced first? Which one will be balanced first? Either oxygen is balanced first or iron is balanced first. You will see that beta, we will start with the oxygen, because oxygen is having maximum number of atoms, that is 4. So we will start with the oxygen atom. Now in order to balance the oxygen first, what we will do, as you see on the right hand side, we are having 4 atoms. So what we will do, we will multiply the left hand side also with 4. So we will multiply the oxygen with 4. So now here left hand side also having 4 atoms and right hand side also having the 4 atoms. Now you will see how we will write it in the equation. Iron plus H2O gives Fe3O4H2. Simply what I have done, I have written this equation here. Now as I have multiplied with 4 here, it means what? I have to write 4 in front of oxygen. As we can't write 4 here, because this is a formula of H2O, we can't change the formula. So we will write the 4 here. Now you can see, if I write the 4 here, along with oxygen, hydrogen is also placed. Now the number of atoms in hydrogen are, how you will count beta? 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. This side what we are having, hydrogen atoms are how much? 2. Then what we will do, we will place here 4, then 4 into 2, we will multiply 4 into 2, so it will equal to 8. Now the oxygen is balanced and the hydrogen is balanced. Last what left? Only iron, Fe. Fe is having how many atoms? 3 atoms. So I will write 3 here. Now it is a complete balanced equation. In this way you have to balance the equation. The equation will be 3Fe plus 4H2O Fe3O4 plus 4H2. This is a balanced. You can now count oxygen having 4. Here also 4. So we are over with the oxygen. Then about hydrogen, 4 into 2, 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. Then hydrogen is balanced. Last Fe3 here. Then I will write 3 in front of iron here. Now it is a balanced chemical equation. That is what I have written here. From here you can easily see that 3, 4 and 4. It is a balanced chemical equation. Now I have written symbols of a physical state. The symbol of, as you know, iron is solid, S. Water, gas. I have written water as a gas here because we are using steam. When we heat the water, then it is converted into heat. We are using the gaseous state of water. Therefore, I have written here gas. Then what happens? Fe3O4. Then it is in the solid state, and again H2 gas is produced. So I have written here G. So this is how we have balanced. And beta, you can balance this equation in one line also. No need to draw this table again and again. This is only your starting. Therefore, I am explaining you by making the table so that each and every step should be clear to you. Now, no need to draw this table. You can simply solve it in single line also.